He's got a message to tell you. He's passionate, he's on fire, and he's a deadly weapon. This guy is one educated man that's bringing his message to the world. So let's stand to our feet and honor the man, Dr. Pompa.
We were literally dancing behind stage. It's true. Yeah, we couldn't help it. We just started rocking it out. We saw the bongo guy going at it. That was it. I almost came out of my skin. Look to the person next to you. I want everyone to do it. And say, you have been called. Do you believe it? You better believe it, because you know what? I wouldn't be here tonight with the message that I have if I didn't believe it. I know this, that I know this, that I know this, that you all are in this room for a reason. I believe it. We've had hundreds, actually thousands of people praying for you to be here right now. Those of you who are in the bathrooms, I know you can hear me because I've been in the bathrooms and you can hear sound. Get out of the bathroom, tuck it in, move it out, and get in here. Because you've been called too, no doubt about it. Look, if I really didn't believe, some years ago, my wife said, man, you're not only going to get well yourself, but you're going to bring a message to the world. You've been called to it. And at that moment, when she would tell me that, I would get mad at her. I didn't believe her. But soon, God took me through the ringer even more, and I started to believe. I have been called to bring a message that the world desperately needs. Now listen, this is not about me. You have been called, chiropractors, to bring a message to the world. I'm telling you, I fought to even bring you this message. I might piss some people off, but you know what? What's happening right now on this planet, God has an answer for. I can't help but be myself, so I always speak about what God does through me. Clap, because it's true. And you're going to see that. You're going to see that. Believe me, I am who I am, but I am speaking to everyone in this room. I don't care if you believe the way I believe or not. You have been called. Because right now, there is a massive, massive epidemic. Everybody is sick, even the ones that don't know it. Do you realize that? Everybody. My children's generation is more sick than we are. More sick than we are. When you look at these numbers, I think that we realize this is the projected future. Last year from stage, you heard that number, 1 out of 2 children on the autism spectrum by 2032. When I heard it, I almost didn't believe it myself. Right there, 1 out of 3 over the age of 65, Alzheimer's by 2050. Right now, it's 1 in 9. But by 2050, 1 out of 3, 30-year-olds in the room, that's you. This is the epidemic. Cancer rates soaring. It's estimated that 95% of the population has autoimmune. They just don't know it. Their own immune system is attacking their cells, and they just don't know it. This is the reality that I know that we have been called to. Listen, this is bigger than me. It's bigger than you. It's about them. It's about them. I have the privilege of speaking to people from all over the world about different health conditions. And I hear a similar message that I've just been praying, I've just been crying out, I've been sick for so long. I've been looking, I've been struggling. And the only way, first off, that I can even understand and relate is because I've been there myself. But the message is this: God has heard their prayers. Trust me. He is raising up a group of people with a similar philosophy a philosophy that's needed to change the world. And I believe this movement, I know, is starting right here.
The CalJam Network is your all-access pass to CalJam all year long. The site hosts hundreds of videos and endless chiropractic content. The network is a great resource for anyone passionate about chiropractic health. Visit this newly renovated CalJam streaming service at caljamnetwork.org.